be bullish.
No one gets upset about a 10 or 12 or 15% rate of return. So that should be something that people are looking forward to.
Yeah, for your 401k and other investments riding a high right now as stocks continue to climb. And the stock market could stay hot as we welcome the year 2025. Experts are predicting some encouraging numbers. Take a look at this. The Dow and S&P 500, Nasdaq, all of them hitting new highs when the market closed today. The Dow up 309, Nasdaq jumping 254, and the S&P up 37. Our Jay Coleman talked to a financial advisor who says this means it could be a good time to invest.
The stock market could be on the rise. According to the latest reports from Wall Street, they're expecting it to boom in 2025. Bank of America's equity and strategy team projecting the U.S. economy will grow at 2.4% in the new year. And they also think the S&P 500, which is a good indicator of how your 401k is doing, will hit 6,666 points by the end of the year. It's currently just over 6,000. Local financial advisor Brett Schunkweiler says investing at the right time could benefit you later on down the road.
The everyday American, how does that really pertain to you? Well, I would say just keep funneling as much money as you can in those 401ks and those investment accounts. Obviously, we still want you enjoying life along the way, but if you can get a little bit extra this next year, your 401k or your retirement accounts or any investment accounts, I would say they'll be thanking you. Obviously, they can't talk, but you'll be glad that you've invested that a couple extra dollars.
A report from Yahoo Finance says several other firms are projecting even bigger growth, including Wells Fargo and Deutsche Bank. Schunkweiler feels there's one main reason for the high forecast.
The biggest one, honestly, is the Trump factor. And people know that we had Trump in the past, and the stock market was good during that time frame. And we know that he's coming back in again. So a lot of people think, all right, well, good stock market in the past when we had this president. If he comes back in, we should have a good stock market again that next year or when he comes in again.
And we asked our viewers on the Now Local News app what they think. And they have hope that things will improve.
I believe the economy will be much better in the long run in 2025 with prices going down.
I hope that means really great things for people who have invested in stocks or are looking at their 401ks and needing those to kind of make up some gains from what they've lost recently.
And that was Jay Coleman reporting. Here's a quick look at the U.S. stock index futures, which are stocks basically traded outside of normal market hours. It's often used as an indication of what could happen tomorrow. As you can see, the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P down just a little bit.